अस्तु आरभामः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। So today we are going to see 8th chapter. This will be the order. So, yes, so we'll start from Chatushlokah. Today's Chatusloka is about, oh sorry, Sukti is also there. Okay, we'll begin from there. Okay. So Sukti is Alpaksharam, Alpakshar Ramaniyam. This is both is one word, Alpakshar Ramaniyam. So Alpa means less, Akshara means letters, Varnas. Ramaniyam means something which is near is there. So which is charming. So something which is expressed in few letters, I would say, or you can say words also, because if it is sentence, and that is charming. So like this, Yaha Kathayati, one who speaks like this or tells like this, Nishchitam. Nishchitam is certainly. Sa is Saha, because of Sandhi, Visarga is gone. Sa, Khalu is indeed. Indeed is Vagmi. Vagmi means one who has control on his voice, walk. Vagmi means orator. So a person who can convey his message or his intent in less letters or words, he is definitely a good orator. So this is the meaning of Sukti. Alpa Akshara Ramaniyam Yaha Kathayati. This is verb. Nishchitam, certainly. Saha, Khalu, indeed. Vagmi. So, we'll come back to Chatusloka. So it is about monkeys. So, Markatasya Surapanam. So Surapanam is, Sura is mostly used for liquor. So Markatasya Surapanam. So if you see, it is trying to tell how undecided things are going to happen or what unwanted things are going to happen. First, the thing is Markata. So Markata is monkey. So there is one we write Vanaraha. So Vanara is another name for monkey. So it was like wherever their mind goes, who go there, they are Vanaraha. And one who control their minds, they are Naraha. So Markata is like that, whatever he thinks, he does. So now first is Markara, then Surapanam. Then you made him drink liquor. Madhye, and when this all was happening in the middle, Vrishchika Damshanam. And in middle of this, an scorpion also bitten him. So again he will jump more and still more is coming. Tan madhye, tat madhye, in between of these things, bhoot sancharaha. So one, you can say some atma also enters into him. So yatva, that is yadva, yatva, tatva, bhavishyati. So this thing, that thing, or anything, bhavishyati, may happen future. So that is the Chatusloka. There are many Chatusloka ending with this one, Yatva, Tadva, Bhavishyati, like that. So this is the today's Chatusloka. Then comes the Samasya. So this Samasya is a little different. So here every pada is Samasya. Kim naraha kurute ganam. So who are the people who sing? Kim naraha kurate ganam. Kam kam pushnati jangalam. Pushnati is nourishing, nourishes. So kam whom and whom. Jangalam is meat. So whom and whom meat nourishes. Kamitartha prada deva gavi. So deva gavi is divine cow or cow of devas. So kamitartha prada. So kamitartha means whatever you desire. So who is the cow which gives you whatever you desire? Kim Shukavat Vanam. So Shuka is parrot. So Kim Shukavat. So which forest has parrots? Kim Shukavat Vanam. So this is the samasya. So if you read it slowly, then it is a samasya, sorry. If you read it in rhythm, then it is not a samasya. If you read here, Kinnaraha kurute ganam. Kim naraha, with sandhi it will become Kinnaraha kurute ganam. So this, if you read it properly, then this question itself becomes answer. Kinnaraha. So Kinnara people, they used to sing. Kam kam pushnati jangalam. Kankam. So ma will become nga with sandhi. Ka varga last letter. Kankam. Kankam is, I think, vulture. So kankam pushnati jangalam. Kamitartha prada devagai. Kamitartha prada is the kamadhenu. And kimshukavat vanam. Kimshuk. So kimshuk is a tree. So a forest full of kimshuk tree. So that is kimshukvat vanam. So every answer is here only. So that way this samasya is also solved. Okay. Next comes your subhashitam. Labheta. So what is the lakara in this? And what is the dhatu? Labheta. Is it a verb or not first? Anyone?
A verb, Mahodaya.
So what lakara it is in?
Labeta, past tense.
Past tense starts with a.
Oh, correct. Labeta. ಇದು ಸಂಭವನಾರ್ತೆ.
ಸಂಭವನಾರ್ಥೆ ಲಿಂಗ್.
ನಾರ್ತೆ.
ಸೊ ಇದು ಲಿಂಗ ಲಕಾರ.
ಇದು ಬಂದು ಆತ್ಮನೇಪದಿ.
ಆತ್ಮನೇಪದಿ. ಸೊ ವಂದೇತ, like ವಂದೇತ. Labhet. So labhet means one may get that sambhavana. So one may get. Siktasu. Sikta is sand. So from sand, siktasu. Tailam is tileshu tailam. So whatever we get from tila, that is called as tailam. So tailam api. So you can get tailam means oil also from sand. How? Yatnataha pidayan. If you crush that with efforts. So it is like sand is very dry thing. So this Subhashitam is telling. So you can, it's trying to tell you like you can achieve impossible if you try. So you can get oil from the sand also if you try, if you crush it with effort. Pibet cha, that is with sandhi it has become pibet cha. Pibet cha. Pibet is again the same kind of this thing. Pibati, pibet. Mrig Trishnikasu. Mrig Trishnika is your mirage. So in when you are in some this desert places due to some sunlight or some this scientific some phenomena, you may see at some distance water, but there is no water. So that is called as mirage or Mrig Trishnika. So it is telling you may drink Mrig Trishnikasu, from mixed Mrig Trishna also. Salilam is water. Pipasa Arditaha, one who is thirsty, who is Arditaha means who is having this thirst, he can drink water from mirage also. So first line told again one impossible thing, second line is telling further one more impossible thing. Let's see the third line. Third line tells kadachit api paryatan shasha vishanam asadayet. Kadachit means sometime, paryatan means atan means to wander, to roam. So sometime while roaming, shasha is rabbit. So Vishana is the horn. So Shasha doesn't have horn. So but it is telling Asadayet. Asadayet means again the same lakara is used. Sambhavana. You may get a rabbit with horns if while roaming here and there, means if you keep on roaming, you may get a rabbit which has horse also. Again, third line is again trying to tell you something impossible. So these three impossibles can happen, but what cannot happen? Na tu pratinivisht murkh jan chittam aradhayet. So pratinivisht murkh jan. So murkh jan is foolish people. Pratinivisht means one who are stubborn, who are like they are not ready to understand. Chittam means mana or buddhi. So if you have a person like this who is murkha and not ready to understand anything, he is just putting his words only and staying over there. So chittam, his buddhi, to him you cannot aradhayet. Aradhayet. So you cannot, aradhana is from aradhana. You cannot please his mind by doing anything. So in short, what it is telling, you can do all the impossible things if you try with some more effort. But if you are dealing with a foolish person who is not ready to learn or improve, you cannot do anything at all. So the moral might be like whenever you meet such a person, don't try to do experiment on him to make him help him or something, because he is not ready to learn anything at all. So he will not move. This one is a very, very nice one and it is very apt one. Let's see. Vyagri iva. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi is there. Vyagri is tigress. Iva means like. Vyagri iva tishtati. Tishtati means stands. Jara is old age. Paritarjayanti. So Paritarjayanti is the what kind of word is this? Anyone? Paritarjayanti.
Pari is prefix. Tarjayanti is tarj. Dhatu.
What kind of word this is completely total?
It's a verb.
Okay. So since it has a dhatu, it has some verb feeling, but it is not a verb. If you see here, this one, what is this? What is this one?
Pari upasarga.
What is this one? You can see this my cursor.
Pari darchayanti.
You can see one hand, small hand is here. You can see this.
Okay, it is Shatru and Shanach.
It is the Shatru for Strilinga. Paritarjayan means continuous. Paritarjayanti. So Paritarjayanti. Tarjayanti means somebody threatening. Tarjanam, like tarjayati. Somebody is scolding you. So Jara Paritarjayanti. Old age is while threatening or while scolding you, tishtati. And the old age is standing, threatening you. Like what? Like a tigress. So there are many like pictures where you can see in WhatsApp and all nowadays where uh, you will see like one tigress is sitting one pose to attack, because they make a very good pose, and once they attack then there is no chance that their whatever meal is there that will slip away from them. So that is why that example. So the old age is scolding you and standing like a Vyagri. So it will not let you escape. Rogaha cha. So rogah became rogash. Rogaha cha. Rogaha means diseases also. Shatravaha. Shatravaha is Bahuvachan of Shatru. So enemies, iva, like enemies, praharanti deham. Deham is body. So Dvitiya on the body, praharanti, they attack on the body. Like what? Rogaha deham praharanti. Rogas are attacking on the body. Like what? Like Shatravaha, like enemies. So they also are means trying to kill you or trying to finish you. Third thing is now ayuhu, your age. Parisravati, your age is leaking. How it is leaking? Bhinna ghatat iva ambha. So bhinna ghatat panchami. Bhinna ghatat means like a broken or crack pot. Ambha is water. Like water is coming out, oozing out from a broken or cracked pot. Like that, our age also is day by day uh, slipping from our hand and becoming less. So these are the three situations which are telling we are in very serious situation. Fourth one is telling lokaha tatha api ahitam acharati iti chitram. So lokaha, world, tatha api, after this all also, whatever three lines, after this all also, ahitam acharati iti. After that also they are doing bad things. Ahitam, they are not doing good things, they are bad things they are doing. Iti chitram, this is like strange. So people know like old age is sitting at some distant place looking for you, and you are going towards that. It will jump on you and it will make you its meal. There are so many diseases which are also attacking your body and destroying it slowly and slowly. Your age also is day by day leaking little and becoming less. After this also, people are doing bad things in this world. This is really strange. This is the meaning of this one. Padasangraha, they are same only. There is no special in this one. We'll come to Ramayanam. So last time Ramayanam. So Rama Ayanam. So that is the word. Ramasya Ayanam means the Ramasya travel, you can say, is called as Ramayanam. So now last time we saw like Dasharatha killed that Tapasvi Kumara, and Tapasvi Kumarasya Pita Dashratham Shapam Dattavan. So what he said, the way I am dying, same way you also will die. So Shrapam Shrutva Dashratha Santushta api abhavat. So Santushta abhavat because he knew now I am going to have a Santati. I am going to have son or something. Then only this person's Shapa will become truth, because currently he didn't had. So from there now story is progressing further. Dasharatha aputraha. So here Adhyahara is there, Asit, you can see. So Dasharatha was without putra, aputraha. Shapaha anugraha eva jataha tasya. So now you see, this is the beauty of free word order. So anything is written anywhere, it's still they are not causing any disturbance in meaning. So tasya shapah anugrahah eva jatah might have been a better arrangement as per other languages, but here it is fine. So for him, this shapa became a anugraha, means became a, you can say, vardhana for him. So Ravanaha Rakshasa Rajaha. So Rakshasa is a kind of people according to their activities. So king of them was named as Ravanaha. Saha Devan Pidayati Sma. So he used to trouble all the gods. Devaha Gatvantaha. Kutra Gatvantaha Vishnu Samipam. So gods went where? Vishnu Samipam. Vishnu Kathitavan. So Vishnu told or spoke. Ravana Vadhartham, for sake of killing Ravana, sorry. Dasharathasya putraha bhavishyami. I will become son of Dasharatha. Iti, like this. Tataha. So after that, Dasharathasya, of Dasharatha, Ramah, Lakshmanah, Bharatah, Shatrughnah, iti Chatvarah putrah abhavan. So after that, Dasharatha got 4 sons named as Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata and Shatrugna. Sarve, all putraha, sakalaha vidyaha adhitavantaha. So all the whatever sciences or shastras were there, they learnt. Rama Lakshmanau. So Ditiya Vibhakti, because Ram Lakshmana together. Now new word is this. Rama Lakshmanau Yaga Rakshanartham. So for protecting the Yaga, Yajna. Vishwamitrena Saha. Saha Yoge Tritiya. Saha is there. So whoever is Saha, that is in Tritiya. Vishwamitrena Saha Ashramam Gatavantau. Gatavantau is Tavatu Ditiya. Ram Lakshmanau Gatavantau. Ram Lakshmana went. Where they went? Ashramam. Kimartham they went? Yaga Rakshanartham. Kena Saha? Vishwamitrena Saha. Yajna Rakshananantaram. After protecting Yajna, Ramaha Ahalyam Udhrituan. So after that, Rama liberated the Ahalya. Tataha, from there, Tau means Ram Lakshmanau, Vishwamitrena Saha, with Vishwamitrena, Mithila is a town. Mithilam means to the Mithila. Praptavantau, they reached. Ramaha Janakarajasya Sabhayam Shivadhanushaha Bhangam Kritavan. So Ramaha Kritavan, Rama did. What he did? Shivadhanusaha Bhangam. So he broke the Shivadhanusa. Kutra. So Sabhayam. Kasya Sabhayam? Janakarajasya Sabhayam. Tataha, from there, Ramasya, Lakshmanasya, Bharatasya, Shatrughnasya cha vivaha jataha. After that, all 4 brothers got married. Sarve, all brothers, Ayodhyam, to Ayodhya, Pratyagatavantaha. Prati agatavantaha. Prati is returned, agatavanta came. They returned. The sandhi is making is Pratyagatavantaha. Marge, Saptami, on the way. Ramaha Parashuramasya Garvabhangam Kritavan. So on the way, Parashurama met and Rama did his whatever Garva he was having, that he broke. Tataha, here everywhere, tataha, everywhere after that is there. So then, Ramasya Yauvarajyabhishekartham, for sake of his coronation. Ramasya Yauvarajyabhishekartham. So his Abhisheka as a Yuvaraja. Dasharatha Sannaham Kritavan. Sannaham means started preparation. Kritavan did. So after this Parashurama Garbhabhangam, Rama came to Ayodhya and then Dasharatha started preparing for his coronation. Kintu, but Kaikeyi Vachanat. So from the or due to the Vachana or the boon of Kaikeyi, Ramaha Lakshmanena Sitaya cha Saha Aranyam Gatavan. So Lakshmanen Sitaya Tritiya because of Saha. So Rama along with Lakshmana and Sita went to Aranyam forest. Dasharathasya avasanam abhavat. So Dasharathasya avasanam means Dasharatha died or he went to different loka. Matul grihat. Matula is mother's brother. Matul grihat, from the house of his mother's real house. Agataha Bharataha, again order is changed. So Bharataha came from his mother's house. Sri Rama Samipam Gatva, and went to, after going to Sri Rama, near Sri Rama, Paduke. So Paduke is this is for two, you can say, sandals. Paduke, pair of sandal. Paduka is the one, Paduke, and then Paduka. Balika, Balike, Balika. Anitwan. So Bharata went to Sri Rama Samipa and bought his sandals. Tataha, again Tataha, then Dandakaranye, in the Dandakaranya. Dandakaranya is nowadays whatever after MP, border of AP, all those places are Dandakaranya. So Dandakaranye Shurpanakha Prasangat, because of from the Suparnakha whatever happened, Kruddha Ravanaha, because of Suparnakha Prasanga, what happened with Shurpanakha, Ravana was Kruddha, Ravana was angry. So Sitam Aparhitwan, so he stole Sita, or abducted is better word. Tataha, again Tataha, then Kishkindha Samipe, near Kishkindha. Kishkindha is nowadays Hampi, Vijayanagara, Karnataka. So Tataha Kishkindha Samipe Rama Sugriva Yoho. So this is Dvivachana, Shashti. So Rama and Sugriva's Sakhyam is friendship, Abhavat, so happened. So Kishkindha Samipe Rama and Sugriva became friends. Ramaha Valinam Samhritvan. So Rama killed Vali. Anjaneya is son of Anjani. Son of Anjani is Hanuman. Lankayam Sitam Drishtva. Lankayam is Saptami. In the Lanka, Sitam Drishtva, after seeing Sita, Vrittantam Niveditvan. So he told all the story after seeing the Sita. Ramaha Samudrasya Setum Badhva Lankam Gatvan. So Rama made a river bridge on the Samudra, on the ocean, and went to Lanka. Ravanasya Vadham Chakritvan, and killed Ravana also. Tataha, then Vimanena means aeroplane. So Sri Ramaha Lakshmanena Sitaya cha Saha Ayodhyam Agatvan. So along with Lakshmana and Sita, he came back to Ayodhya. Ramasya Pattabhishekaha Abhavat. So this is now his as a king. Pattabhisheka is real coronation is for that as a king. Earlier it was Yavarajya Abhisheka. So making him Yuvaraja means second in line, I think. Kintu Sitayaha Vishaye Janapavadam Shrutva Ramah Sita Parityagam Kritavan. So after listening about Sita, Janapavadam, Jana Apavadam means whatever people were talking about Sita. After listening that, Shrutva Rama Sita Parityagam, he left Sita. So Valmikehe Shashti Ashrame Saptami Sita Kushalavau prasutavati. So prasutavati means she gave birth. Where? In the ashrama. Whose ashrama? Valmikehe. Sita and whom? Kushalavau. So the two were born. So twins were born named as Kush and Lava. So together Kushalavau Dvitiya. Sorry, Dvivachana also. कुशलवौ वाल्मीकेः सकाशात् रामायणं पठितवन्तौ. So near, Sakashat means near. So Valmiki, who's near? Valmiki is near. Shasti. Kushalavau, both the brothers, Ramayanam Patitavantau. They read Ramayana near Valmiki because Valmiki was writing it. So Valmiki was in the time of Rama himself. But he had a vision, so he can see what is happening, what will happen. So he wrote in that time. Sri Ramaha Ashwamedha Yagam Kritvan. So Sri Rama did the Ashwamedha Yajna. Tada Kushalavau Ramayanam Geetavantau. So the Dvivachana is all in play. So when Ashwamedha Yaga was happening, then Kushalava, both the Lava and Kusha, they sung Ramayanam, whatever Valmiki had created for the first time. Tataha Ramaha Valmiki Munehe Ashramam Agatvan. So after listening that, Rama came to ashrama of Valmiki Muni. Valmiki Munihi Sitam Parigrahitum Kathitvan. So Valmiki Muni told that you accept Sita. Like this he told. Shri Ramaha Punaha Sarvesham Purataha Aham Shuddha Iti Sita Kathayatu Iti Uktavan. Sri Rama told again in front of everyone. Punaha, again. Sarvesham, everyone. Purataha, in front of. What? Aham Shuddha Iti. I am pure like this. Kathayatu, you tell. So to Sita. Iti Uktavan. Idam Shrutva. After listening this, Sita Khinna. Sita becomes sad or angry, you can say. Tat Kshane. Same moment, Bhumau Bilam Jatam. So there happens a hole or in something in Bhumau. Bhumau is Saptami in the earth. Sita Tatra Leena. Sita went into that and disappeared. Ramadayaha. Ram, etc. Ram Adayaha. Saryu Nadyam. So Saryu is the river which flows in the Ayodhya. So in the Saryu river, Saryu Nadyam, Deha Tyagam. Deha Tyagam means they left their body. Kritavantaha, they did. Anantaram, after that, Kushaha Nripaha Abhavat. So Kusha became king. So this is today's story. Okay, we'll come to Anvaya Kramaha. So in Anvaya Krama, where are we? So last time Bharata went to Sri Rama and he is telling Tvameva Raja Dharmajyaha iti vachanam abravit. So like that he after going there, Bharata told like, I am not the king, you only are the king. So like that he had told. So now what is happening is seen in these two shlokas. Ramaha api parama udaraha paramodaraha sumukhaha sumahayashaha na cha aichat pitur pituhu adeshat rajyam Ramaha mahabalaha. So the verb is aichat. Aichat is again ichhati in past. So he did not wish what? Rajyam. So Rajyam na ichat. Kah na ichat? So karta. Karta in this is Ramaha. And Visheshana is Paramudaraha. Paramudaraha. Sumukhaha. Paramudara means somebody who is very udara. And Sumukha means his face is very attractive or good. Or Sumahayashaha. means whose fame is Mahan. So Yasha is Mahan. So like that, Mahabalaha, who is very strong, or whose Bala is Mahan. What else is there? Ramo api means Rama also. So Rama also, why? Because Bharata already told, I don't want this Rajya. Now Rama also is telling the same thing. So if you arrange, one Panchami is there, Pituhu is Shashti, then Adeshat is Panchami. From the order of his father, Pituhu Adeshat Rajyam na ichat. Because order of his father, he does not want kingdom. Who does not want kingdom? Paramodarah Sumukhaha Sumahayasah Mahabalah Ramah api Pituhu Adeshat Rajyam na ichat. So this is the prose order or Anvayakama. Normal meaning is Rama also did not wanted the kingdom because of his father's order, and some qualities of Rama is given here, how Rama was there, with Visheshana. So next one is this, Paduke chasya rajyaya nyasam dattva punaha nivartayamasa tato bharatam bharatagrajaha. So Paduke, again Dvivachana is coming. So both his sandals, pair of sandals. Cha asya means his. Rajyaya Chaturthi, for Rajya. Nyasam, so Nyasam is like representative. Dattva punaha, again and again. What? Nivartayamas means persuaded to go. Tataha, then. Whom? Bharatam, and who? Bharatagrajaha. So here you can see Nivartaya mas, anything ending in sa is all lit. So this is one kriya. Another small kriya is Dattva. So same karta, earlier kriya. Samana karta, purva kriya. So Nivartaya mas, if we start bringing from that. So Kam Nivartaya mas, whom he persuaded to go? Bharatam Nivartaya mas. Now you can ask, Kaha Bharatam Nivartayamas, who persuaded Bharata to go? Bharatagrajaha, the elder of Bharata. So Bharatagrajaha Bharatam Nivartayamas. Kada tataha, then. So then what? When then? What means so? So Nyasam Dattva. So Nyasam Dattva means after giving him that Nyasa representative. For what? Rajyaya, for sake of Rajya. Whose Nyasam? Asya Paduke Nyasam Dattva. So Asya Paduke Nyasam Dattva. And then Rajyaya. Asya Paduke Rajyaya Nyasam Dattva. Punah, again and again. Nivartayamas, whom? Bharatam. So same thing, if you arrange, if you know, now you should know meaning of all, you can arrange it. Nivartayamas, main verb, it will come in between. Dattva is Purvakali Kriya, so it will come in middle. What he did before this, before Dattva will come here. Bharatagrajaha Asya Rajyaya Paduke Nyasam Dattva. In my way, it's Asya Paduke Rajyaya Nyasam Dattva. So this he did before, and after that Bharatam punaha Nivartayamas. Bharatam to Bharata, again and again he persuaded to return. So now we come to Anuvada Paddhati. This chapter is Anuvada Paddhati. This section is, you already know. Again, I would say that book is not arranging subjects in non-repetitive order. So they are repeating things here and there. So this is telling the same thing. If you remember, Visheshana, Visheshya, how to use them in Anuvada. So Visheshana, Visheshya is only one shloka, you know. So yat lingam yat vachanam ya cha vibhakti visheshyasya tallingam tad vachanam sa cha vibhakti visheshyasya. So three things are there: linga, vachana, and vibhakti. Whatever is the visheshanas, linga, vachana, and vibhakti, same you have to do for visheshanas. Visheshana also. Linga, vachana, vibhakti is there. That is why we say like visheshana is here. Adjective is not adverb. It is adjective only. So adverb, whatever in Sanskrit, kriya visheshana is very less I see, and most of the time whenever kriya visheshana is there, that is written in dvitiya. So that is also in noun only. So like say gachati. Gachati is the verb. So if you have to say do some beautification on gachati, you can say shigram gachati. He goes fast. So shigram goes into dvitiya. So it is an adverb. So it is a kriya visheshana. Shigram gachati. So here we are reading only noun visheshana. So we'll see this. Balaha. So chatura is the visheshana. So chaturaha balaha. Chatura balika. So these two are showing you the yallingam tarlingam. Then chaturena balena. By a clever boy. And chaturam balikam. Chaturaya balikaya. Balaya. Chaturayah balikayah. These are telling ya vibhakti, sa vibhakti. So whatever is the vibhakti of visheshana, same is the vibhakti of visheshya. I should say in other way around. Whatever is vibhakti of visheshya, same is vibhakti of visheshana. So this also you know and you have practiced a lot. So same thing now he is trying to say in English. I don't feel like why you should, for exam sake only you can write this. Otherwise you should understand this. And by now you might be understanding. Anyway, I don't see like more than 70% of this language gets translated into any language when you translate it. So better to understand this only. Tasmin grihe, both are in Saptami. So in that house. Etebhya balakebhya. Now it could be Chaturthi, could be Panchami. And depending on what is happening next. So tam balakam, that boy. So that is karma. Both are in Dvitiya. Etasmin vakye, in this sentence, vakye is, both are in Saptami. Tasmai vidyalaya, to that school. Both are Sampradana. So like that, there is not that much to tell. Sandhi you already properly read. So we'll come to Sangrahya Vishayaha. So Navagrahaha. So this is I think everyone knows this. Surya Chandra Mangala Buddha Guru Shukra Shani Rahu Ketu. So these all are 7 are name of days. Rahu Ketu you can remember. So this is very easy to remember. Chandra is Soma. Surya is Bhanuvasara or Ravivasara. Mangal is Mangalvasara. Buddha is Budhvasara. Guru is Guruvasara. Shukra is Shukravasara. Shani is Shanivasara. 7 days Rahu Ketu makes it 9. So Nava Nidhayaha. Nidhi means kind of something which is important or costly or jewel you can say. Nava Nidhayaha. So 9 of these are there. Mahapadmaha. Some very Mahan lotus. Then Padmaha. Then lotus. Shankhaha is conch. Makaraha is crocodile. Kachapaha. Mukundaha. Kundaha. Neelaha. Kharvaha. So these are the some nidhis or jewels which are 9. Okay, nidhi jewel I should not translate because next one is ratnani. Even though it is not in sense of that stones, it is in sense of kavi. So kavishu in the kavis. So they are Dhanvantari, Kshapanakaha. So they have written some good literature. Amarasimha. So if you know Amarsimha, he has written a very nice, you can say, dictionary of Sanskrit. That is called as Amarakosha. So that is a very different way and it has many words. Today also like in traditionally if you read then they ask people to by heart Amarkosha so that you know so many of synonyms. Shankuhu, Vetal Bhattaha, Ghatkarparaha, Kalidasah, Varaha Mihiraha, Vararuchihi. So Vararuchi is the grammarian. So who is in the three people who wrote the grammar? Panini, Vararuchi and Patanjali. Varaha Mihira is an astronomer. So he has written about Jyotisha, both Palit Jyotisha and I think the calculation direct mathematical part of Jyotisha. Astronomy and astrology both. Kalidasa is everyone knows, he is a king of poetry. These I don't know. Dhanvantari is Ayurveda who had given. Amarasimha is another I don't know. Next is tradition. So tradition is today holy bath. Tvam Raja Sarva Tirtha Nam. So you are king of all Tirtha. Tirtha means water. So Tvam Raja Sarva Tirtha Nam. You are king of all water. Tvam eva Jagataha Pita. Jagataha is Shashti. So of world. So you only. Tvam eva Jagataha Pita. You only are father of this world. Yachitam Dehi Me. Yachitam, whatever is asked. Dehi, give. Me, mama. Tirtha, tirtha is sambodhana. O tirtha, yachitam, whatever is asked. Dehi me, give me. Sarva papa apanuttaye. Sarva papa apanuttaye. So apanuttaye means removing, and papa is sins. Man, my, me is mama, mine. So this is yachitam. Remove my all papas. So this is the tradition. So with this we have, this all is the answer of riddle. With this we are done for this class. We'll take the questions now.